show you how to make glow text in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you two methods on how to make the glow text effect in CapCut. After you open the CapCut now, go to this text and insert your text. So after you insert the text like this now, so now there is two ways. The first way, select the text, go to this text effects. After you go to this effects, so now you can go ahead and use the template that was made for you in the CapCut. So go ahead and select the template. So these are all template that comes with glue, so you can go ahead and use them. But if you want to create your own, all you have to do, just go ahead and click on this none. So now I remove the template. So go to this basic, under the scroll to down. You scroll to down, go and click on this shadow. After you select the shadow, click on this color and change the color. So after you change the color, as you can see now, you have the glue effect for you. But if you want to customize it, just click on this arrow side, scroll to down, so you can increase blurriness. So you can use the blurriness for the shadow, as you can see now, if you want, and you can change the distance like this. So as now you can change the distance if you want, and you can change the angle for the shadow. You can see now from above, like from right to left, you can change the shadow. After you finish customizing your text, you can go ahead and use it. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.